Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're taking a video of this Rancilio Cathy espresso machine. This machine is a predecessor to the Rancilio Silvia, and it actually includes a grinder even. The grinder is not just a cheap grinder like many combo espresso machine units have, but it actually has a robust grinder that is similar to the Rancilio Rocky grinder that is sold now. So this really makes for a great machine. This machine's used in an office, and it's even plumbed in. You can see there's a hose down here that enables the machine to be plumbed in. After many years of use, the boiler went bad. You can see the old boiler here had gone bad. And so we put the new one in, new style boiler in with a stainless steel heating element. And the heating element's actually replaceable on the new style, which makes it a little bit less expensive to replace. And so let's go ahead and test the machine. So here you can see we get a great shot of espresso, some good crema, and let's go ahead and turn on the steam. While we wait for the steam, let's see, do I have some other parts for this machine? I guess not. But this machine was pretty dirty. We definitely would recommend back flushing it at least once a week in the office setting. And this will help it to make much better shots because the screen was pretty clogged, and also the gasket on the group head was clogged, which is going to make it leak a lot, and this reduces the pressure for the shot, and then the quality of the shot is much lower. Also, there's a pressure relief valve underneath the machine, and that pressure relief valve gets clogged if the machine's not being back flushed on a regular basis. And considering the heavy use of this machine, it may need to be replaced in the near future, but right now it's working just fine. The way you can tell if that valve is malfunctioning is you actually get what we call the sneeze, where when you open the portafilter, coffee grounds kind of blow out at you because the pressure wasn't released properly. All right, looks like the steam's ready, so let's go ahead and test it. We get nice strong steam. And the key with this Rancilio Silvia, along with, this Rancilio Cathy, along with all Rancilio Silvia machines, and this home style machine, is that there's no water level sensor on the machine. So the boiler can actually go empty and then go bad because of this. And so once you're done steaming, you can either do it one of two ways. You can steam your milk and then make your espresso. That way the boiler will be full when you're done. Or you can run hot water through the machine after you're done steaming. And this way, when you have water come out, you then know that the boiler is full. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.